Hi, my name is Confidence and Afriblaze is my brand. I'm a lover of tech, new trends and also an entrepreneur. I desire to help young Africans explore the possibilities in the digital space, and that's one of the reasons why I've created this platform where I will share my knowledge on tech, blockchain, cryptocurrency and other related trends. I believe that there are so much opportunities out there in tech and the digital space waiting for us to take advantage. The year 2021 has been an amazing year in the digital world. We've seen a lot of innovations and improvements to tech experiences, and the coming year promises a lot more in store. So it's time for us to open our minds to more knowledge, accept new challenges and reach for new heights, because I believe that the best is yet to come. With this, I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.